This is what we were looking at on the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. So previously I mentioned that we are expecting price to get to this level here, and when price get to this level here, we expected to see a decline in price and then get to this level here where we get to see our sell side liquidity being collected and price eventually pushing and getting to this level of our order block here. But these the sell side liquidity that we were targeting as our take profit. So the moment we saw price taking out this sell side liquidity, that was a break in market structure, indicating that our price is most likely to continue to go down. Okay, so now let's go back to the chart and we get to look at what we have. So you can see that price got to this level here, pull down and get to this level of our order block, and then quickly we get to see price push up. But this is not what I was looking at for a trade setup. So the trade setup was here, and then somewhere here there was a re-entry in a smaller time frame. We discussed it on the group, and price after that re-entry it went down massively. So you get to see that as price was going down, this is what we were targeting. So I believe this is 400 and something pips. Let's just say 400 pips. So you just divide that number 4072, you just divide it by 10, you get the actual number of pips because it's in point right now. So back to what we see right now, we have a liquidity void being created as price was going down. So right now we have a fair value gap here, and we have our daily order block, which I believe price will get to this level here and then close that fair value gap and use this level of our order block to decline. But keep in mind, just notice this level here, because it might be a trigger that we get to see price not completely closing this fair value gap and not completely getting to this level of our order block here. So but if you look at here, you can see that we have a breaker at this level here. So this is a breaker structure, but I believe price will push up a little bit just to get inside, because if you look at this candle here, you can see that this is the level of our breaker actually. So I believe price will push up a little bit to get inside to this fair value gap and this order block to close it. So what we're gonna be targeting, it's gonna be this sell side liquidity here to be collected.